Good morning. To us it's morning, isn't it, Toby? It is 5:30. We had to get up at 4:30 to make this video. Today I have my guest here who likes to help me cook and can. So this is Toby, and today he is, well, I'll just let you tell them what you're doing today, okay? So Toby does have a couple other little videos on my channel helping me out and cooking, and what's the one channel called? I'll link it at the end videos here, the two other videos that he has made. Alright, Toby, tell them what we're doing here and whose recipe are we making?
Today we are making pistachio pudding with Grandma's recipe. Grandma Sue's recipe.
Which is my mother, who has passed away 5 years ago, and as a family we really enjoyed this pistachio pudding that she has made. So Toby wants to show you how he is making this.
You open this box.
Okay, and what kind of pudding is that?
Pistachio.
Okay, instant pudding. Now, do we add water to that like you would pudding?
No.
No? Okay, so we just do the dry ingredients.
This is the pudding. And next we're gonna add pineapples. Grandma didn't say if we need pineapple juice or not, so we're trying not to.
We're saving the juice.
Saving the juice.
Just in case, to the end. Okay.
So dump it in the bowl. Crushed pineapples. Next is whipped cream. The whole tub of whipped cream. This is
8 ounces.
8 ounces.
20 ounces.
And the pineapple was 20 ounces. So you dump the whipped cream in here. The whole bowl.
There you go. I suppose you want to eat the rest out later, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next ingredient is marshmallows.
Marshmallows. Mini marshmallows. Those do not look like mushrooms. Don't think that would be good.
2 cups of mushrooms.
No, marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Okay. Okay. Now stir everything. Remember, you stir all that up together.
Then we mix all of this together.
Okay. So we're not sure then, until we kind of get this mixed up a little better, whether we need the juice or not. That is, it's a dessert we've had for years, haven't we?
My favorite.
Yes. And Aunt Carol, she can really make it really good, can't she? Okay, can you get it? There you go.
So we dump this pistachio pudding into this bowl, and it's cold in Ohio.
Do we have very much snow?
Not lately.
Not lately. It all melted away, didn't it? Yeah, I don't think we need to add the juice. So when you're doing this recipe, don't add the juice. So drain your crushed pineapples. There you go. Can you scrape that out? You can put the bowl down, it makes it easier. I know, you're wanting to eat that off that spoon, huh? Hey, look, it almost matches your shirt. The green, yeah. All right, what do you think? Think that's pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put it in a bowl, you dump it in the bowl, make it even so your mom won't have OCD. To make it flat.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be too flat. Just fluff it up a little. There you go. Alright, I'll take this and tell them what you need to do next. I won't lick the spoon. I'll save it for you for later.
Next is the crushed walnuts.
Okay, you need a spoon or?
Nope, I'm gonna dump it in there.
Okay, go for it.
Spread it around. And then
Can you spread it around a little more? You can use your fingers. It's our family. There you go. Okay, now what?
then you put this in the refrigerator.
Oh no, you forgot something. Oh, that's the most important one. That's the best. Can you tell them what that is?
These are cherries from Walmart. In the jar. Not in a cold area.
Not a what?
Cold area.
Cold area.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean out in the aisles.
Yes.
Okay, put one on at a time so you don't get the juice on. There you go. To me, that's the best part, the cherries. So what are you going to do today?
I'm gonna go back to sleep.
No, you're not. You got to go to the workshop. They'll miss you there.
The cherry is 4 inches apart.
4 inches. How about put as many as you want in there? Well, that's okay. Yeah, just tell them ever how many. Or do they have to put cherries in them?
No, you don't have to put cherries in it.
Okay. All right. What do you have to say to the people at the workshop?
Hi everybody, I made this for you.
And you're going to take it in today and share it with them?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. Thank you for Tobey's channel, right? To watch Tobey. You want to say goodbye to everybody and thank them for watching?
Thank you for watching my Grandma's Pistachio Pudding. Thank you and have a good day.
All right. Take care, guys.